Hello guys, welcome to DIY Robotics Lab's official channel. Here you will find a wide range of content designed to educate and inspire robotics, coding, and artificial intelligence enthusiasts of all levels. Our key features include educational tutorials, hands-on demonstrations, and in-depth explanations of various robotics concepts and techniques. We also offer DIY robotics tips and tricks to help you improve your skills and create your own unique projects. Our community engagement is a priority, as we encourage collaboration and sharing of ideas among our viewers. With a variety of projects to choose from, ranging from beginner to advanced levels, there is something for everyone on our channel. We also provide technology reviews to keep you up to date on the latest trends and innovations in the robotics world. But most importantly, we aim to inspire creativity and innovation in our viewers. Whether you are a seasoned robotics expert or just starting out, we hope that our channel will spark your imagination and motivate you to push the boundaries of what is possible in the field of robotics. So come join us on this exciting journey of learning, creating, and exploring the world of DIY robotics, coding, artificial intelligence, and upcoming new technology. Thank you.